Bust some moves. Idiom. Imagine you are at a party, the music is pumping, and someone starts showing off their best dance moves. This is the perfect scenario to understand the idiom bust some moves. It means to dance energetically or skillfully, often to impress others or just to have fun. Examples: Party. When his favorite song came on, he couldn't resist and busted some moves on the dance floor. Talent show. She busted some amazing moves during the talent show and wowed the audience. Casual dancing. Even in his living room, he loves to bust some moves whenever a good song plays. Tips for remembering. To remember this idiom, think about the word bust, which implies breaking out or showing off. When combined with moves, it creates a vivid image of someone breaking into dance. Visualize a lively scene with someone dancing energetically to help cement the meaning in your mind. Fun fact: the idiom "bust some moves" gained popularity in the late 20th century, particularly in the context of hip-hop and breakdancing culture. It's often associated with impressive and skillful dance routines, making it a fun and dynamic expression. So, next time you hear someone say they're going to bust some moves, remember it means they're ready to dance energetically and show off their skills. It's a playful and lively way to talk about dancing. Thanks for being part of the journey. Until we meet again.